All going everybody. Think cool? Yeah man, me there man. We're not gonna get no, but I say one regular lame vlog today. Cause we might be going on the road. Yeah? Go get some food and them something. So I'm gonna bring it with me. That if the plans don't change. Alright? Currently I make some tea. Yes, me now buy the shirt. Check out the main channel. We just put up 2 videos over there. If you don't subscribe to the main channel. Also, check out the gaming channel. Check out all the links in the description. Follow me on Instagram. And remember the video when we did say... No, remember the video. Not the video when we did doing at the last vlog. But the video, the song when we did make. So me did there, I think yesterday I get the idea for remix Alkaline Badness it name and sing about MOSQUITO. What if change if my hand gets spray and MOSQUITO I go dead, slippers clap them the same. So, but there's a record and not even press record. Try to use that in case as them fly off my clap on, send them in the darkest place. Them fly lean, clap them straight, tell them no levitate. They do that, a big mistake. Bomba! Yeah man, we blow up on Instagram, blow up on my Facebook page. Everybody want the full version. That play one a little bit tight in this. But you can check out the full thing on my Instagram page. Cool? So I go to that now.
Yo.
Murder!
You know why you're singing for another out there. You hear that?
MOSQUITO murder me thing there.
Hear that?
Welcome, brother. Yo, dog, you know the MOSQUITO down there?
Down where? Are you the idiot? Church.
Murder go on, 200 get the blame. Mama I go ball down a MOSQUITO lane. How we go clap them and no like we shame. Kill everything and not one fi remain. What fi change if my hand gets spray and MOSQUITO I go dead, slippers clap them the same. Chick V, Zick V, 1 bag of paint. Yes, so that was the finished product. I was glad for more than anything else. I'm glad say it go viral and you know still a do it thing. But I'm glad say when I get to see like the behind the scenes. You know? When we just sit down right there so I record the song. And then I get to see the finished product. So I'm glad for that. Big up on yourself. You know? We're done ready now. So basically I wait to get picked up. Go up on the road. I think that is our pop-up kitchen them have, so I get some food and then maybe go somewhere else after that. Baby.
Kevin.
Drop down. Cooking. Hot back.
No,
We get pick up that one on the road, isn't it?
so I never point in next direction or in front of him.
Focus on somebody, like a person.
So about mother.
The chair back in, try to get that
Right. Right.
Stupid. What? Huh? What you gonna do now? Huh? Security, I tell me, so I can't walk on the grass. Alright. I see who I boss now. What that? Unruly. Them are gonna need wings, we get real. And I also we're supposed to just still food where I look. Next thing I see woman pop up. Hey! Where are you going? And they actually have a sign to us. Unruly. All them places I never go in my whole life yet, you know. Craft market downtown. You know what I mean? Check it out. Get you free. I don't know if I really have to see nothing. So for all of the foreigners them who are coming in Jamaica, I downtown the craft market there, right beside DISS place, craft market. We walk. Look like we have to abort the mission, you see me? Come here for a shrimp pasta, but the shrimp pasta done, so I have to go somewhere else. Look like something cracking her lens in her camera. Just. You have a girl? You look cracking. Oh, you shrimp pasta?
Yes.
And then on the shrimp pasta, so.
And then on shrimp pasta. I'm more shrimp pasta than I think about the whole week. I mean I eat fish, you know? But man I eat fish.
So that's the thing. I might just go somewhere else to eat now. That's where I go.
She said I know we are first people come on if the shrimp and it knock. You want to go Little Caesars? You want to go try up there? The pizza place?
Reach a destination. I don't know if I see it. Little Caesars. I will get pizza instead. We started out, we were supposed to get some shrimp. Said, now we are at Little Caesars. I say the first one is in Jamaica, so I'm going to see how it tastes. They always want to try them food, the bacon crusted pizza. Hopefully them have that here, so if not, eat a regular pizza, isn't it? Bust it off now, so I go. It look like pizza. I can see if it tastes like pizza, you know. What do you do?
I like.
That work good.
Hello, listen to me.
The amount of cheese that they found this and catch me.
It's good. We came, we saw, we conquered. Pizza was good. So yeah. Go there now. Uptown, uptown. See, I'm sorry to eat me gone on my yard. Reach back home now, you see me? Yeah, game we are playing now. I don't know. We don't play a game and I want them things. You know, I mean, they just lie down and I chill. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, and also subscribe. Sometimes things go the way they're supposed to, sometimes they don't. That's life. We just gotta live with it. Words of wisdom from a decent man. Look at more people.